You still in bed?
Yeah.
I was downstairs already, guys. Nandun na ako sa baba, guys, kanina. Bago lang ako bumaba. Bumalik lang ako dito kasi, you know, I'm still wearing the same black thing. And I just want a sweater because ang ginaw-ginaw sa baba. Nakakatawa talaga tong si Roxy, guys. Pinalabas ko si Misty. Misty was over there standing. Just don't move. And Roxy from the yard. She's walking really slow. Because Misty is not looking. Misty is looking in the other way. And Roxy is like this. Natawa ako. I don't move because I don't want it. So I just do like this looking at Roxy. Natawa ako kay Roxy. At saka, when Misty look at Roxy, Roxy like this. hindi siya gumagalaw, guys. Ganun pa rin. So, nagtinginan sila. Nagtinginan. Matagal yung tinginan nila. So, suddenly, both of them, oh my God. Nakakatawa talaga tong asong to. I have to clean up today. I see a lot of here. So, vacuum me! Ito, itataod ko ito. Itataod. Iano ko to. Lagay. At saka pagkatapos, this is dirty. Okay. I need to clean up this place too. Hello? Hello? Tulog na mo?
Ako rin, nag-duty ko sa barangay.
Oh, duty, day ka?
Oo.
O sige ay, ugma na lang ko tawag.
Tawag lang ma.
Unsa man, nahuman na nila ilang kuan sa balay.
Oo.
Unsa may nahuman nila?
Kuha, nang primer kuhan to, ang pintura, walang pa, primer pa ito lang tuyok.
Unya, ang kanang kisame?
Oo, kiprimeran po.
Pero human nagbutang ang kisame.
Nagpintura na siguro pero sila.
Unya, naghimo na kagigdaanan sa ero?
Wala pa, ma. Nagkaroon to nito yung ma.
Himuin nag kwarto-kwarto nya bintana unya butang ignoog ang higdaanan.
Oo.
Bisag plywood na ayaw na butang sin kay ang init mga sino ay. Ang iro naman ay balhibo. Dali na sila mainitan. Natakot si Dimple sa natakot tuloy si Dimple. My God, si Misty, guys. Ayaw niyang magpunta doon. O sige, guys. Tapos na ako. Maglilinis muna ako. Ayaw ko na ipakita, guys. Kasi palagi na lang akong pinakita kung paano ako maglilinis. Even though the montage is like fast forward thing. Pero, linisin ko lang ito, guys. At saka, pinasok ko yung ano, guys. I bring the bonsai inside. Because it was really cold. I think yesterday, 2 days already, it was really cold. It's okay now because the weather is okay outside now. But, guys, nakikita ko para silang may naano dahil sa ginaw siya, sobrang ginaw. So may nagyeyelo ng ganon ito. Pero tumaba siya, guys. As in, I'm happy of my bonsai, guys. I hope it's been 1 year already. Ito namamatay siya dahil sa ano. Bakit ba ito namamatay? I think sa ginaw siya, guys. Because of the ginaw, look. Na ano siya, nagda-dry out. So, that's why. Ano lang, guys, I'm just changing tops because I'm going to ShopRite to get some food for the animals. And also, I need to pick up some leather. I don't want to forget that. Leather. Dimples. Dimples. Huwag mong kainin yan, baby. Tignan natin kung natutulog pa ba siya.
Hello.
Hi. You still in bed?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I woke you up.
Okay.
Yeah, they're outside, but Misty doesn't even want to go. So anyway, so I will let you go, that you can continue sleeping. Bye. Love you. Bye-bye. She's so happy that mayroong blanket dyan. Ano na, nahihiya ka na? Nahihiya ka na? Wala ka namang hiya. Nahihiya ang walang hiya. Nahihiya ang walang hiya. Yeah. Anyway, so I will see you later guys. Punta lang ako sa ShopRite para matapos na ito. I don't have to go out later. So anyway, later is gonna be traffic. It's crazy. So anyway, I will see you when I get back. Siya open. Hindi siya open. Ito. Tignan natin ha. Asan yung remote? So, let's see if this is... I don't like it. Okay, let's try Mariah Carey, guys. Mariah, guys. Look at the dogs.
Nahihiya ako sa mga aso ko, guys.
Nawalang hiya na si Mama, guys.
Walang hiya na si Mama. Tignan niyo, nanonood. Tatlo sila, guys. Tatlo.
Ang mata ni Dimples.
I love you, baby.
I'm home and I'm ham. Humi, ham, ham. Tignan nyo. Hindi kita bigyan ng ano kahit ano kasi hindi kayo kumakain ng pagkain ninyo. Husband guys, nagtawa ko guys. Sabi pa niya guys, andito ako sa showerhan, huwag mo akong disturbuhin. Nag-i-enjoy daw siya. Ano kayang ini-enjoy niya sa shower guys? Naliligo lang, dapat walang enjoy shower. Pero bakit kaya sabi niya enjoy daw siya? Pabayaan ko muna daw siya, oy. So, pinabayaan ko na lang guys. Sabi ko, sige, mag-usap tayo pagtapos ka nang nag-enjoy, ha? So, ito lang kakainin ko. You got the feeling, emotion. You love your bone, baby. Yes, you do love your bone. She love her bone, guys. Somebody's eating there. Finally, she's eating. Because she doesn't eat for 2 days. I give you bones because you doesn't have bones for a long time. And you need that for your teeth. It's good for your teeth. That's why their teeth is not yellow. And their breath is perfectly perfect. You leaving me. Seriously, you move away from me. Okay. I'm gonna go closer now.
November 2nd, and the talk is live. The QC is focused on her age.
I know, baby. I know you love me. I know. Tignan nyo, guys. I know you do. No kisses, please. Not on my face. Oh, somebody's coming. Oh, somebody's coming. Somebody's coming. Coming. Inuman tayo, guys. Inuman tayo. So, cheers guys! Kung sino man yung nanonood sa akin, inom na kayo ng wine. Kung anong meron kayo din, inom kayo. Samahan nyo ako sa paglalasing ko. Lasinggirang vlogger na ito! Gusto kong maglasing at saka manonood ng video. Pero iwan ko lang guys kung maano ba to. Kung kaya ba ng spirit ko, no? Spirit talaga. Spirit of the glass. Roxy, you're such an annoying dog. You're very annoying, baby. You're very annoying, oy. She want to join all the time. Do you want to go out? Is that what you want? 3:33 pero parang uulan ata. Thank you sa concern, guys. When I feel sick, I get better. I get better really fast, guys. Thank you, guys. Why you're so cute, baby? Why you so cute? Oh. Why you so cute, baby? Okay, let's go out. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm drunk. Parang ulan. You crazy dog. Tignan nyo to. Baliw-baliwan effect. Baliw-baliwan effect, Rox. She want to get the bone. Gusto niyang kunin yung That's not yours, oy. Hindi yan sa'yo. Meron ka naman doon, kunin. Tignan mo. Tignan mo. Miss this. Good girl, mates. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You just let your crazy sister take it. You're a good girl. Yes, you were. Your sister is crazy, right? What can I tell you, baby? Hey, Roxy. Eh, naku, eh. Tignan nyo yung dalawa, guys. Oh my God! You scare me, Roxy. You scare me. You scare me. You scare me. You're so funny, dog. You're the funniest dog in the world. Yes, you are. Tignan nyo ito, guys. Yes, you are a funny dog in the world. Nagulat ako, Rox. Nagulat. May ladybug doon, so kaya somebody's whining here. Hala! What? Rox! Roxy! What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Oh my God, nagagalit. Nagagalit. Nagalit ka, Rox. Huwag kang magalit, Rox. Galit. Galit si Roxy. Oh. Oh my God. You're gonna hit my freaking face. You ruined my tooth already. Did you see that tooth that cracked? Did you see this, guys? That I bet you seen this, guys. Alam ko namang nakikita ninyo tong yung unahan kong teeth. Parang may crack siya, may nabiak. Si Roxy yun, guys. Maliit pa yun, guys. Umambak, guys. Umambak dito. So, he jumped onto my face while I'm doing like this, try to pet her. And then suddenly, piyong! So, nakita ko talaga, guys, yung maliit na maputi. Maliit na puti. Lumipad, guys. Kita ko, maliit na puti. Parang sparkle star. Lumipad, guys. Akala, oh my God, sakit talaga, guys. Ooh! Ow! Don't you dare paak-paak me. Don't you dare paak-paak me, ha? Ay, naku, lagi bang paak-paak na ba? Ano na? Ay, naku, oh my God, no. Oh my God. Oh no, Roxy, what are you doing? Oh my. Naluka ka sa akin. Oh my God, ang dinner ko is masarap. Ito yung dinner ko. Lamb. Hindi siya pagod, guys. Pagod siya tignan. I don't know why it looks like pagod. Well, it's kind of pagod, but it's not really pagod pod na ayaw mo na makain. So, yon. At saka yon, yung gulay, guys. Gustong-gusto ko yan, guys. Yung pasta, some bihon, and rice, and yung dip-dipan natin. Dip-dipan. So, yung lamb din, sobrang sarap. So tender. Juicy. Ano yun? Bukog. Maliit na bukog. Maliit na buto. Bukog. Iba naman yung buto, di ba? Sarap. May mga taong ayaw nila kumain ng gulay. Bakit kaya? Sabi pa ni Tommy, ano daw? He sent me a picture. Tignan natin. Anong picture yung... Ah, okay. Ah, yung pork. Okay, let me try to call my sister.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, Day. Asa ka, Day?
Matulong pa trabaho. Kanya na daw balik tawag kay Juan. Tatawagan yata nindol po ang cellphone ni Papa.
Unya na lang ko gabi itawag, oy.
O, yata ang gabi tawag. O, sige.
Sige na, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Anyway, so I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate it so much. I'm just ready to lie down and I will baka mag-i-edit muna ako guys before. Kasi tatawag pa yung asawa ko ulit para para mag-usap kami before we both go to bed. We always do this guys. Before we go to bed, we have to talk. And yeah, anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. And kita-kits bukas guys. Bye guys. Bye guys. So, you add lemongrass at saka you add onion. Pag-away kami guys kapag hindi equal yung sardines. Mga bata pa kami.